So if you could accomplish one health and wellness goal in 12 weeks, wouldn't that be amazing? And I would love to help you to accomplish that. And it's exactly what we're going to be doing in my yoga and movement circle community starting April 6th. It's going to be every Monday at 4 Central. There will be replays if that time is not convenient for you. And over those 12 weeks, the women 40 plus in this community are going to choose one goal to attain. This could be many different types of goals, anything that's health and wellness related. You may want to give up caffeine or coffee, quit drinking soda. You might want to quit eating sugar. You may want to spend more time outside and start gardening and stop being on social media so much. Your goal may be to lose 20 pounds, 15 pounds, 10 pounds. It may be to cook more often, to give up 75% of processed food in your diet, or even 100%. Everyone's going to set their goals. That's a realistic, achievable goal that we can do in 12 weeks. And then we're going to have trainings, WAM sessions, weekly accountability meetings. So I'm not only a yoga teacher where we do yoga in our community, but I'm also an accountability coach. And I know so many women struggle with procrastination. I don't have time to make this thing happen when we all have a half an hour a day. Our health and wellness is so important to us at 40 plus especially. And so I want to invite you. I hope that you will give it some consideration. Reach out, message me, let me know if you want to join. My community is a $20 a month membership, but I'm going to let you guys come in for $1 for the first 30 days. So you can just come in and give it a try. And then I know you'll want to finish the challenge. It's $20 a month, plus you'll have all the access to the live yoga classes as well. So it's an amazing deal. It's an amazing price. And I'm not just going to be bringing information to you. We are going to grab your pen and paper, everybody. We're going to do some work. We're going to write out our goals. Let's take 5 minutes right now. We're going to do that. And I'm going to bring up slides. I'm going to walk everyone through how to exactly set their goal. And then we're going to have tips and techniques for overcoming those roadblocks that keep us from those goals. So we're going to learn about what procrastination is, for example, and then we are going to have an assignment for the week. These are your tips of things that we're going to do for the week, and the accountability is in our Facebook group. So I'll be having everyone post in our private community once a week, checking in, and then when we meet for our WAM session the following week, we will have an accountability. And it's not to feel bad or to worry if you're not on track. It is to look at the numbers of where exactly are you. Are you 90% doing the work, and this is a high rate of success, or are you only 60% or 50% doing the work? And what do we need to do to change that? So that's the things that we're going to be looking at, real numbers, real solutions, and techniques to shift our thinking, change our identity, and achieve the wellness goals that we want to do. So comment, I'm in, and I will reach out to you personally and send you a link where you can sign up. And I look forward to working with you guys. We've already got a small group. It's going to be a small, intimate group of women. We'll be meeting on Zoom every week. And I'm super, super excited to host this Health and Wellness 12-week session. If it takes off and we do well with it, we may take a week or two off and go right back in and continue either on the same goal, or maybe you have a different goal, all health and wellness related. So take care. Let me know what you think. Take care, my friends. I hope you're having a great summer, getting out and enjoying the sun and enjoying life and feeling energetic and feeling good. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.